it's Rachel here. So let me make sure my phone is all working and you're not upside down. I'm not upside down. Okay, so it's Rachel here. I wanted to do a little video about some of my favorite Peperomia species. Now, when I first moved, I lived in an apartment and I had all this room. I had all this room for all these beautiful plants, so I started filling my apartment, and I was kind of more attracted to, at that time, the larger plants, the ones with the more foliage, the bigger ones. And now, you know, I'm moving and I'm downsizing, so, and lately, just before I knew that I was moving, I have been obsessed with the Peperomia species, and lucky for me, there's like over 100, maybe 200 species of Peperomia. And the first one that I ever got was the Russo, and you know what attracted me to it was like the red undertone. You can notice that a lot of them have on the other side of the leaves is this beautiful red color. Cookie, stop, lie down. Sorry, making sure my dog isn't getting. And the color is so vibrant. It's such a contrast between the green and the red. So I'll show you guys. I only have 4 so far. I actually saw another one yesterday that I'm gonna go back and get, but I'll switch you guys around. So this is obviously the famous Peperomia pilia, and when I got this plant, it wasn't very big. And I noticed that these, if you don't rotate them if you don't spin them, they can get very leggy. And the ones that I saw at the nursery, they were very big, but they were very leggy, and they almost were looking as if like too leggy. But this plant has already given me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one plant has already given me 6 babies. Now, I don't like to take them when they're too small. I'll let them grow. Like, you can kind of see like that little baby right in there. Like, that's too small. I would rather let it grow a little bit until this size right here. And this one probably sprouted those out within a week, 2 weeks. I've actually only maybe had this plant for like a month now. But yeah, you can see, like, they just, and I have mine in a northeast window, so it doesn't get very harsh light, but it does get good light and all daylight as well. Now, this is actually the first Peperomia I ever got. You know, like I said, I was really more into the larger plants, but now, ever since I got this plant, I've been obsessed with these little baby plants. Like, look how freaking cute they are. And you know, it's small, but you can see, like, it's just jam-packed in there. Like, they grow crowded like that. And look how freaking cute the little blooms are. Like, they're really, you know, it's like underwhelming. Yes, I know the blooms are like ugly, but they're like little hands, like hello, like waving at you. So yeah, that was the first one I ever got. And this is called the pepper face. I actually don't know the scientific name of it, but it's called the pepper face. It's got this beautiful, yet again, there's this beautiful pink, you know, tone. And my thing was plants with pink or red tone to them. Like, look at that. It just looked like a painting almost, you know, some of these plants that are like that. And this one has been growing quite well. Now, the conditions that I have these two, and I have these two in a low light bathroom, I guess. And I keep them in my bathroom just because my house is very dry. I live upstairs, and it's very, very dry. We got lots of light and everything, but it's just, so in the bathroom, it's a little bit more moist, so I figured they'd do a little bit better there, which I think they're doing very well considering I just got this plant too. But you can just see like that pink color. I mean, I think I should probably give this one a little bit more sunlight. I think it will probably get a little bit more pinker. Oh, oops, that one ripped. And yeah, so these are my 3